Hey everybody, I'm Andrew Starks at ISE 2023, and if you didn't get a chance to stop by Macnica's booth, I want to highlight something really exciting for you. If you've heard anything about IPMX and you're a manufacturer, you're probably wondering, how can I get started? And Macnica has a great answer for you. That's our launch kit. Our launch kit includes 2 dev boards, running one in encoder, one in decoder. It even includes an inexpensive switch and other accessories to get you started, all for just $19.50. Now, in addition to that, we also include, at no extra charge, a reference design, which we're highlighting here at the show. You can see here we have a very inexpensive case, very simple design here, and you can see right in the bottom it says ME10 reference design. The board is actually right here. Included in that $19.50 is access to these designs. So you can start with a working reference design. This little board here includes PoE. It's either an encoder or decoder, depending on what image is loaded on it. It has analog input and output, HDCP included, as well as KVM capability. So you're already starting with a great reference design that you can customize and add to add your own special sauce to whatever it is your company is known for. So if you'd like to know more about the MPA1000 launch kit or our reference design or anything IPMX, please visit us at macnicatech.com.